What's up? Your boy just got off work and finna go see what we're gonna do today at the shop. We probably gonna see about the other shop. I don't know. I'm gonna see what he said about the other shop, because today they supposed to have a meeting about that. And yeah. But how y'all doing today? Leave it in the comments below, and yeah. Oh yeah, I need to start doing this more often. I see I get more subscribers. I'm Sehiko. My real name is Terrence. I like to, if you go to my very first video, I leave a card somewhere up top. I like to fish, race, of course, y'all know. Play video games. What else? I like lifting trucks, mudding, fishing, hunting. Hey, I'm that type of guy. I like to have fun, not be, that boring type of guy. So that's why I try to get y'all, keep up with y'all on the build, so y'all can see what's going on. And yeah. Now I say I'm doing my dream, but I still got more dreams to go. Like, I already got the build I want to do so far. Now I wanna go to Cali. That's where I wanna go. Go to Cali, go to the either San Diego or Los Angeles, and probably meet up, with the Zayda people and show them my Z, and and just get cool with them. That's my dream, for real. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. I'm gonna focus on this highway, and yeah. What's up? Well, I just got here and look what I got out. Well, they got out. Well, Rosie. Shout out to Rosie for taking the little followers out, whatnot. This is the passenger side. That's why we labeled it the hose front. PS. PS means passenger side. Though it's a driver side too, so we'll probably do that after Jimmy takes these. Now these, what I heard from Jimmy, they are aggravating to take out. And I can see why he say that. Because usually they can just pop off with that, but nah, Nissan just wanna, wanna be different from everybody. Which I don't know. I don't think that's, well, yeah, mine might be the only car that does that. I don't know, but they do look aggravating, to be honest. So yeah, but yeah, I don't think I'm really got nothing else to do. We did that, and then once we do that, take those out, the rest of the followers out of this passenger side. I can sandblast this one, sandblast that one, and after that, I can sandblast the other one. Take the followers out of that too. Then it'd be time for the machine shop once my parts come in. So yeah, but oh yeah, the big surprise. My big surprise didn't come in today. It comes in tomorrow. I'm waiting on it. I seen the shipment. It said I did 2-day shipping, so they'll order it like Friday late, so it's gonna be here like Wednesday, which it don't matter. I'm still get it regardless. So yeah. But I don't know. I'll probably stop it right here and then finish this vlog for tomorrow. And yeah. I don't know, because it's not too much to do. I did mostly everything on the Z. So, yeah. But, yep. Just catch y'all. If I don't know, not tomorrow, then I don't know. Well, I don't know. I don't mean to say it like that, but I probably, if it's something that we're doing now, then I'll record it. But if not, tomorrow is for sure. But yeah. What a day. I'm playing at work, so it's like almost done, basically. So it's getting close to Christmas too. So I don't really think it's gonna be no planes here. So I don't know what's gonna happen. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna find something for me to do, which they always do when the plane leaves from my hangar. And Yeah, I usually don't talk about my job because I was thinking, oh, that's probably boring y'all or whatnot. So, yeah. But I might go do a gameplay if there's nothing here to do. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I put the T-tops back on. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kinda ready for this. I miss sitting in this chair, just throwing gears. Man, when that night comes, man, it's gonna be lit. All I gotta say, it's gonna be lit. Just thinking how crazy and how far I came in life. Especially doing a build like this at 19. Crazy, man. Being blessed. But y'all see this car more often, probably. Yeah, probably about next week. That's what we're gonna do with all the intakes and stuff. Yeah, we should be ready. Yeah, after that. All my parts, all I gotta do is get my parts to come in. Oh, it's gonna be some fun going on now. And some footage. But can't complain. I got a Z, so yep, can't complain. No, I do not sit this tall in the seat. That's another thing. Trying to get this seat right. The screw is stuck in it. I don't know if y'all can. Oh, let me see if I can show y'all right quick. I don't really think y'all can see it. Where is it? Right. Stuff in the way, not right there. Get down from there, right there. That's good right there. If I can get that screw out, it'd be better. And I can put the seat where it needs to be. This one, that's the thing too. This one not electric. This one is electric. Just the driver's side. That's stupid. But yeah. Can't wait, man. I'm gonna have it set up right. Ain't no back seats. It's just straight subwoofers. Subwoofers and that's it. Subwoofers and that's it. But I'm gonna get back with y'all. What's up? This your boy say he goes, and I'm just getting off work. So cold out here, man. Don't make no sense. I gotta get me some more tires for this car. Tell you. The same front right tire on the passenger side. But yeah, I got a big surprise today for y'all. I'ma drop this camera off by my gals. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna show y'all the big surprise. 2 big surprises. I'll show y'all. And yeah. But let me give y'all an update on what's finna happen, and I'll go from there. Well, in the meantime, I'm finna get to the shop. Well, drop the camera off first, then get to the shop and get some air in my tire, and yeah. Alright, just dropped off the camera, and Headed straight to Jimmy's now. Alec called me. Trying to make sure I go there. And yeah. But I don't know why I'm driving like this. Driving like I'm a gangster or something, boy. Chill, boy. Yeah. Y'all need to let me know for real about the gameplays, you know. I mean, I understand that's a little old gameplay. Call of Duty Black Ops 3, but hey, I mean, at least, you know, I'm trying my best to get y'all some gameplay footage. So, yeah. But I'm nearby the shop, so I put.
Come on.
You got it on video?
Yeah.
Oh, it's on? Dang, hey, do you know? I'll sit up to talk about you like that. I feel sorry, man. Look at it. You got the twins in here. We just sit up here talking about Alec and this cat. We got the shop kitten. We got the twins on here. Yeah, this is the big surprise. 92mm. Hell yeah, brother, do it for death.
I just got in there.
Well, that's it. End the vlog right here. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up button for your boy. And yeah, let me know down below in the comments what y'all think about the turbo. And yeah, so remember, be a dream chaser, not a follower, and go after what you want. Chase down the dream, make it happen. Make it happen. And I'm out.